Look at this Tacoma 2026. I'm about to build it from the ground up with TonnoFlip products. Everything we have here at TonnoFlip Shop, we're gonna be installing on this Tacoma 2026. Only here, TonnoFlip channel. Hard folding tonneau cover already installed here. We have one side of the roof racks installed. The Nerf bars already installed. Now we're gonna go ahead and finish the other side of the roof rack. Now it's not gonna be so easy to steal, right? We have the TFP gate locker. Easy and secure. TFP bed extender. It comes in a box like this. Everything is gonna be assembled here for this Toyota Tacoma 2026. You don't want to get your bed scratched. This is a brand new truck, so you're going to use a bed mat, and it's going to be TonnoFlip. Don't be buying nothing else. We're going to be installing the interior floor mats by TonnoFlip. Look at this. I'm just going to show you real quick so you can see the difference here. TonnoFlip. You can clearly see the difference. This is not going to cover anything at all. Look at this. TonnoFlip floor liners. Next episode.